How to ignore messages and unignore messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to ignore and unignore messages on Messenger. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch Messenger application on your device. Make sure you have signed in and updated to the latest version. On the chat section, find any group chat which you want to ignore the messages of. Long press on it and from this menu select ignore and tap on ignore. Ignore a group chat to move it to the archive folder and stop notification for new messages. So these ignored messages are always stored on the archive section. So you can proceed towards the menu at bottom right corner and select archive option. Then here you will see all the list of the archive chats and group chat. So you can easily find it on the second option. To unignore, you can easily long press on the chat and then select Unarchive. With this, it will be unignored. So in this way, you can ignore and unignore messages on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.